Hello, I'm Karen. Thank you for coming by to watch my video. Today I want to show you my haul of August. I've got a couple of parcels this month. First one from Chasing Planner Piece. I'll put the link to her website below. So for those of you that don't know, I've also got a bit of a planner addict. I've got quite a few planners now. My preferred is the Filofax style, the A5 6-ring binder. And what I've ordered from Jessica at Chasing Planner Piece is a Christmas binder. So whilst I was on the website, I also got a few other goodies. So you can see here, she's always pops in a little gift. This is a nice little herbal tea bag that I've got through. And I also reordered some inserts as well, which I'll just quickly show you. So this is a brand new product from her. I absolutely love it. I've been looking for a red one for a while. And this year will be the first year that I actually do a Christmas planner. So I've been getting lots of inspiration from other YouTube videos, and that's where I got the idea from. So you can see really good quality of what she does. They're all vegan, faux leather, and a really great durable product, which I love. So happy to support local Australian resellers like this. You can find her on Facebook as well, actually, as well as YouTube. Whilst I was on the site, she had this for sale. This is a traveller's notebook, and I've been using quite a lot of pocket page notebooks from the Stamp Spot. And you can see here, if you're not familiar with Traveller's Notebook, there's elastic strings inside, and this is where you fold your inserts. And this is a perfect size, so this is going to keep all my pocket page notebooks in, and I love the colour of that one. So you can see here, I ordered a couple of monthly planners. Now, I did use these in my craft planner, and I've got a video with that if you wanted to see it. So I thought I'd reorder these to actually put in just my normal one this time, because I have found them really useful. I love the fact that they've got top threes, they've got notes section, they've got goals, and you can fit the two on one page as well, one view for the month, which is good. So I really like that one in particular. The other thing that I picked up, probably by chance more than anything, is another new insert that she's brought out, which is pet details. So you'll see from this you get 2 lots. I do only have one pet though, a nice little doggy. But yeah, keep the other one anyway for the next year. So you can put details on there of, I know you can't see the quality here, I should have zoomed in a little bit more, but just worming, vet details, any vaccinations, that kind of stuff that you need to keep for your pet as reminders. So that's a nice little one if you've got a household planner. Jessica does actually sell Christmas inserts along with this Christmas binder. But I didn't feel that I needed everything that was in that. So I've just ordered a smaller version, which I'm going to talk you through now. So you can see it's in a nice gold colour. I think you can choose red or green as well if you wanted. Starts off with a countdown, and then we've got a few more pages here. So it goes through your gift budget and talks about what you want to spend, who for, your gift list as well. These go on for pages and pages. I think these are going to last me quite a few years. Gift ideas for the kids, and then also a little tracker as well of any gifts that they've been given, so you can see who they're from, whether relatives or as we say here, Santa as well. So again, quite a lot of pages for those, so I probably will keep some of these aside as surplus for next year. Now, lay-bys, if you're not in Australia, you're not probably familiar with what a lay-by is, but it's something we use over here where you can buy stuff in the shops, pay so much and then collect it at Christmas time. I guess similar to Afterpay, but you don't get the goods until you've actually finished payment. So again, probably wouldn't use the Afterpay and the lay-by inserts, but I definitely will use these. These are the online shopping inserts, which are going to be great. Excuse me, I'm struggling with a cold at the moment. These other ones are also the ones I really liked for grocery shopping, planning the meals, decorations, bucket list as well. Lights to see, got a lot of suburbs around the area in WA where they do nice light displays, and of course crafts to make, so that's something I want to start doing pretty soon. It's got recipes as well in this, and again there's loads of space, and you can also I guess put pictures if you wanted on these as well as reminders, and cards to send. So I'm glad there's quite a few of these. So as well as being able to tick off when you've wrote the card, is also a sign for when you've sent it. And then what I didn't realise, at the back there's loads of monthly views as well, which is really great. So you can see any activities in the build-up. So with winter being July time in Australia, and obviously I'm from the UK, and for me winter feels like Christmas. That's why I'm now starting Christmas whilst I'm in the Christmas mood. and I can plan out what activities and gifts that I want to make and get in the sales. Excuse me. So the next box I got was from Craft Online. I don't often buy from here, but I did actually get a bit of a gift voucher, so I was able to splurge and get some goodies that I wouldn't normally have ordered. First one being, and I'm sorry it's a bit off camera here, is this box a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's probably that I realised quite how big it was, I wouldn't have actually purchased it because I'm trying to keep storage and space in my craft room to a minimum. But in saying that, I do love the size of what's inside. So it actually holds 16 smaller boxes, and you'll see in a sec. I'll just quickly show you the size of those. So I'm thinking this is going to be for my die cut storage. I've tried a few different ways now to store my die cuts, and I do think one of these sturdy plastic cases is probably the best for that. And there you see, so it's a nice clip on, and it'll be easier to flick through as well and decide which ones I want to use. So probably too, like I say, too big for what I need. You can see here as well just the size of it. So hopefully you can convert those. But I think that was on sale. I think it was $25 instead of $40, so it was definitely a good buy to get. And whilst I was there to make use of the gift money that I'd received, I also bought a few other goodies that I've been looking at for a while. Again, mainly because I'd seen some of this stuff on other YouTube videos, and they're saying how great the products were. So, as you can tell, I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit at the moment. So I bought myself some gold embossing powder, which you saw before. Again, a cheaper price than what we normally get in the shops here. And I bought these two. These were on sale. They're only a couple of dollars each. But they're going to be great to decorate for my December daily. Also Christmas cards as well, that kind of thing. I also got some sequins, so I'm very slowly becoming obsessed with sequins actually. I really like the look of them in shaker pockets as well as on cards and in my project life, so I managed to get a few of those just to add to the collection. So again, they are really expensive. Now this is my Ranger Multimatte Medium. I've been wanting this for a while, not been able to get it locally in Perth. So really pleased to be able to get this. I think it was about $16, which is quite a lot, but I think it will last me for absolutely ages and ages. And I also got some gold liquid pearls, and I've got a big collection of liquid pearls. I love the products. They're really great for just adding a little bit of bling. And this that I'm about to show you is my most favourite of all. This is the Mervy Jewel Picker, and I saw Jennifer Maguire use this, and she listed it as one of her favourite products last year, and I've been trying to get my hands on it. I should really have opened the sequins, but it would have been too messy to show you, but it picks up so well. You would actually think it's sticky at the end. It really grips them really well. So I'm probably it's going to be a bit of an enabler for me to do a lot more detailed work by having that jewel picker. I also got myself some new tweezers while I was at it. My other ones just weren't that sturdy enough, I guess. Always get an adhesive roller when I'm shopping online because they just run out all the time. And these Tombow Mono erasers, again, a lot of people online raving about them. Jennifer Maguire also added as her top picks. So when I'm stamping, this is going to be great just for erasing any mistakes that I do. So I hope you like that. I don't often do a haul, but I wanted to share with you whilst I had one this month. Thank you for watching.